Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you a great website which further enhances your cybersecurity skills. So the website name here is picoCTF. Have you heard of that? If not, this is a video for you. So picoCTF is a great website. You just need to create an account with picoCTF, and in picoCTF you have a learn option. So let me log in first. So I just logged in and you have a learn option here. And in the learn, you have a plenty of things like resources, community, Pico Primer. So in the resources, you will be able to see Pico Gym playlist. So you can just start with the beginner's guide to Pico Gym, and you can complete all 5 sections here if you want. And we have hints like how you can complete it, and the hints and the description of how to find flag, and here you have to download the flag. But I'm going to show you how you can practice this. You can also complete from here or here. A lot of things are available, but I'm going to the practice page. In the practice page, you'll be able to see a lot of things like from easy, you will be able to see easy, medium, hard challenges, which is further enhancing your skills by completing all those challenges. So here you do have a plenty of things, right? So let's complete one of them. So let's take one here. You can see cryptography. It's about hash crack, right? So I'm just clicking one and I will show you how to solve. I will solve one of them and show you how you can just use this platform if you don't know about it. So basically there are a lot of challenges in the practice section, right? Take one and read the description, and here it is saying about a company stored a secret message, okay, on a server which got breached due to the admin using weakly hashed passwords. In the weakly hashed passwords this admin is using, you just need to understand the scenario, right? Can you gain access to the secret stored within the server? And we have some access the server using NC, you know about it, right? It's about netcat, right? So you can just access the server using this command in your terminal in Linux, and you do have 3 hints available here. By clicking the first hint, understand hashes is very crucial. You can also just open that in new tab and you'll be able to understand hash functions like about various types of hashes like SHA-256, MD5, etc. are types of hashes. If you are okay, then you can read that, but you can just move to the hint 2, and here you'll be able to see, can you identify the hash algorithm? Look carefully at the length and structure of each hash identified. And we have 3 which is saying that trade using any hash cracking tools. So basically we just need to use some hash cracking tools. Okay, let's anyway start accessing the server. Like I'm just copying the access the server command, and I'm just opening my terminal and I'm just zooming it for you and using the command. And as you can see, welcome, looking for the secret. So we have identified a hash. So this is the hash. I don't know what type of hash it is, so enter the password for the identified hash. Basically we just need to identify what type of hash it is. Okay, I'm just copying this and I'm just opening a terminal, and for that we can use any online services, and we also have an inbuilt tool that is available in Kali Linux. I will show that, which is the tool name is hash identifier. Have you heard of that? If no, this is the video for you. So when you enter hash identifier, you'll be able to see an option to put hashes. So here is our hash and press enter, and you will be able to see a lot of things, but most probably the first one will be the hashes of this. So it seems like MD5 hash. So what to do next? So now what you need to do is how you can crack MD5 hash. There are websites like CrackStation which helps you to crack hashes, right? So I'm just opening the CrackStation website. I'm just pasting the hash here and I'm just clicking I'm not robot, and I just need to select some palm trees. And it's done. I'm just clicking crack hashes, and as you can see the hash was cracked and the password is password123. I'm just copying that, and in the terminal I'm just pasting the password, and it's not the end, and flag is not yet revealed, and crack this hash also. So we also have a hash. So let me find the hash, which type of hash it is. So I'm just entering hash here in the hash identifier tool, and in the beginning I was able to see it's a SHA-1 hash. So it's basically SHA-1 hash in the crack station will be able to crack LM, NTLM, MD5, etc. It includes SHA-1. So you can also crack SHA-1 hash in the crack station website. It's so cool. If someone using weak passwords, then you can crack it using crack station website if you get the hash. Okay, we just need to select the bridges. And click the crack hashes. And as you can see, we were able to crack and the result is let me in. So I'm just pasting the password here. And we also have one more hashes available. So I'm using hash identifier to know the hash. As you can see, the possible hash is SHA-256. So it also supports SHA-256. So we can just paste it. Crack it. As you can see, we were able to find the passwords QWRTY098, and I'm just pasting the password here in the server. And as you can see, the flag is picoCTF user strong hashes. So we got the flag, right? So this is how you solve labs in picoCTF. This is one of the lab, and I'll show you one more thing for make you understand, right? So what are the things that we can do? Like we have web exploitation available here, which is SSTI. As you can see, I made a cool website where you can announce whatever you want. Try it out. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So let us launch the challenge instance. And as you can see, it's about starting the instance, and we have a single hint available here, which here is hint 1 is server-side template injection. So which is a web application vulnerability, guys. If you don't know about it, it is a web application vulnerability. And we have an option to click here. When you click that, you'll be able to see this is the website. So I built a cool website that lets you announce whatever you want. What do you want to announce? Hello. I'm just entering hello and clicking OK, and it is announcing hello. So this website is vulnerable to SSTI, which is server-side template injection. As you can see, you'll be able to see that from the hint. So what you can do, you have to explore the vulnerability, how you can exploit it. So you can just open a tab in the browser, and you can just search for SSTI payloads, and you'll be able to see a lot of payloads which will be available everywhere in almost all those websites. So I'm here selecting the OWASP website, and here I am going to use something from the OWASP website for finding the vulnerability here. As you can see, we have a plenty of things here, like we can just use this one. So what it will do, it basically maybe print the 7x7, like whatever the website's working is like when you enter something, it will announce whatever you're entering, it should be displayed. But what when I enter this, if it is displaying the value of 7x7, it is called SSTI vulnerability. As you can see, A49, it's not what I entered. So the function is to display what we entered. Like if it is not vulnerable to SSTI, then it will display like the same content that we entered, but it calculated this content like 7x7 49. It's calculated. So that is why this website is vulnerable to SSTI, which is server-side template injection. So how we can exploit it? We just prove that this website is vulnerable to SSTI. Then how we can exploit it? So we can use AI. Like I'm here using Grok AI for getting the payloads. So we can also use Grok AI, which is so great. What I want to do here is I just want to list the contents using ls. So SSTI payloads to ls. I'm just entering this in the Grok AI. You can use any other AI tools that you love to use, but here I'm using Grok, which is so good. You have to use it, guys. It's so great based on my personal experience. So never use a single AI always. Change sometimes, it's good. So we got a payload here available, which is saying that it will print ls. So we can just copy this and we can just paste it here and press OK. And it doesn't work, right? Sometimes the AI will not work properly. So we do have some other codes. So let's use the third one here. I'm just using the third one. Not everything that you enter will not work, but most of them will work. As you can see, it worked. I was able to find the contents like there is a requirements.txt and some picache and app.py, and a flag is also available in this directory. So we can just edit this instead of ls here. I hope you'll be able to see that. We here enter ls. Instead of that, we can just enter catch, and we can just enter flag. So when I enter cat flag, it should need to display the flag. So I just change the command to cat flag instead of ls and pressing OK. As you can see, we were able to find the flag, right? This is the flag. So I'm just copying the entire flag, and here I am just going to paste. And that's done. You solve the challenge. Like that, we have a plenty of challenges available here. I showed 2 of them. Now it's your time to work in this website, to play in this website, to learn from this website. That's it. So if you have any doubts, like if you can't do one, then what you can do, like the walkthroughs will be available, but try to do it by yourself. At the end, if you are still not able to do, then also you can just search for the walkthroughs. Like you can just search for disco 1 picoCTF, or this name picoCTF walkthrough, and you'll be able to get walkthroughs from the web. So that's all about this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.